In the name of Allah, the most magnificent, the most merciful, my heartiest greetings to all of you and welcome to Serenity Cuisine for creating a superfood type of recipe. Today I will share the recipe of garbanzo beans curry. I will also discuss portion of this legume to be added in our daily diet and adverse effects of its overeating. As a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, this legume may offer a variety of health benefits, such as aiding weight management, improving digestion, and reducing your risk of disease. I like to eat this curry with boiled rice. Take some water, add in star anise and curry leaves. Add salt to your taste. Add rice when water start to boil. Give a good mix and let it boil. Now let's dive into the recipe. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and few dry curry leaves and let it splutter. I am using clay pot for enhanced flavors. Then add 1 large chopped onion and cook until golden brown. Garbanzo beans are rich in protein and can be a good replacement of meat. Let the onion cook, and meanwhile dish out the aromatic boiled rice. When the onion become light brown, add ginger garlic. Sauté until golden brown and aromatic. Now it's time to add tomato and green chili paste. Now let it cook for some time so that tomatoes become soft. Add water to cook masala fully. Now add Pakistani spices, salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. Mix them all well. If you reach this section of recipe, accept a special thanks and please subscribe and follow. I am using cayenne pepper. You can use red chili powder instead. Also add mixed spice powder, but it's optional. You may skip. Now cover and let it cook for some time. Seem to be cooked. Now add 1 cup of fully boiled and tender garbanzo beans. Mix well with masala. You can eat at least 1 serving 28 grams of garbanzo beans per day. However, don't eat more than 70 grams a day since that can cause adverse side effects. If you consume too many, some side effects you may get include bloating, nausea, and gas. Now cover and let it simmer for some time. Now it's time to add creaminess and richness to the curry. For this I am adding 1 cup coconut milk. Now cook the curry for about 20 minutes so that everything melt together. That's all for today. The curry is ready to serve. Enjoy good food. Give a thumbs up.